Okay, hi. So what is your name?
My name is Joy Daya,
What is your age?
45 years old,
Which year were you born?
1970, January 17, 1970.
Do you have a valid work permit and HK identity card?
I don't have.
Do you have a valid passport?
Yes.
Do you smoke?
No.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To support my family.
What is your hometown? Or where do you live?
Province or
Okay, so what is your level of education?
high school graduate.
Are you married or single?
Single parent.
Okay, so how many children do you have?
I have 5,
How old are they?
28, 26, 23, 20, and 14.
Okay, so who takes care of them?
My mother.
How many people are you in your family? Do you have any brothers and sisters?
Yeah, I have, but all of them, they are already a family. So only my mother and my 2 daughters.
Okay, are your parents alive?
Yes, only my mother.
Okay, so do you have any financial commitments to support any or all of them?
No one who will support my family. Only I'm the one. That's why I want to work in abroad.
Okay, if they fall sick, who can take care of them?
My mom.
Do you have any debts either here or in your home country?
No.
Do you owe an employment agency any money?
No.
How many years of experience do you have?
1995 until last year.
Okay, so what do you enjoy most about the job?
Sorry.
What do you enjoy most about the job?
I enjoy because in cooking.
Okay, so do you have any allergies for food,
No.
drugs, and detergents? Okay, are you afraid of pets?
No.
How do you handle conflict with your previous employers?
Sorry.
How do you handle conflict with your previous employers?
I will handle about being as a good my job, being a good for them.
Okay, so do you accept no day offs but to be
Yes.
paid by your employer?
Yeah.
In your last place of employment, were both employers working?
Yes.
Was your role primarily childcare or housework?
All around.
How many hours each day do you work?
Because it's a Arab country, no time for rest.
Okay, so do you have a first aid certificate?
No.
Are you willing to attend such a course?
Yes.
If ever my child will burn their hand on the iron, what will you do?
I will wash the hand first, and then I put a cream for the burn medicine.
Okay, so if ever my son is very naughty when you were babysitting him, what would you do? How would you discipline him?
I will talk to her, to him, or I will play as a to being as a good to what call this to stop crying or being as a naughty. So I'm the one who will handle to make a being as a good kids. That's why
Okay.
I have experience also about being as a nanny.
Okay, so are you willing to wake up early in the morning
Yes.
and sleep late at night?
Yes.
Can you cook?
Yes.
Which cuisine are you familiar with?
Arab and Chinese before 1995. It's a long time ago already.
Okay, so do you speak Cantonese?
No.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes.
What do you like to do in your spare time? Do you have any hobby?
Cooking, reading, only that.
Do you have any message to your employer?
Yes.
Okay, you may say your message for the employer.
Good day, Madam, Sir. I'm Joy Daya, 45 years old. A single parent. I have 5 children. And I'm willing to work in abroad to support my family, to earn money for them. And if you are the one who choose me, I'm a honest, loyal, and I will take care also your family. So thank you if I'm the one who will choose me.
Please recite or sing one nursery rhyme.
Sorry, I don't know how to sing the rhyme.
Okay. So anyway, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. You're welcome.